Welcome to our guide on 5S in the lab. 5S is not just about cleaning, it's about creating a culture of organization. A well-organized lab can reduce waste and improve safety. Let's dive into the 5S methodology. First up is Seiri, or sort. This means identifying and removing unnecessary items from your lab space. Next is set in order. Arrange necessary items in a logical and accessible manner and make them visual by using techniques such as color coding, labeling, and outlining. This helps everyone find what they need quickly. Now let's talk about shine. Maintaining a clean workspace is crucial for safety and productivity. A clean lab reduces the risk of accidents and errors. Moving on to Seiketsu, which means standardize. Implementing consistent procedures ensures everyone knows how to maintain the organization. Standardization creates a reliable environment for all lab personnel. Finally, we have sustain, which is about making 5S a habit. Regular audits and continuous improvement keep the 5S standards alive. Sustaining 5S is essential for long-term success. To implement 5S effectively, start small. Involve all lab personnel to ensure buy-in and ownership. Using visual aids like labels and color coding can greatly enhance organization.